Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change language in Expedia app. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to Expedia app and this is the home page, right? What you want to do is you want to click on the account page at the top, at the left, at the bottom right, and then scroll down until you find security and settings, and then scroll down until you find language. So my current language is set to English. If you want to add other language, you need to be able to add it to your keyboard. Right now, I only have 3 languages because I only add 3 languages to my keyboard. But if you add other languages on your keyboard, it will automatically show in this language section. But that is how you can change the language in Expedia app.